The next tool I'm going to show is bulk routing. And what this will do is to calculate the routes, drive times, drive distances between a set of input point pairs. So in each row, you'll have one point to another point, one point to another point. So it's like doing point-to-point routing, but in a bulk manner. So to illustrate that, I'm just going to copy data from my spreadsheet that I set up previously. And it goes long from, lat from, and then long to, lat to. And I usually always use the second one, which is time. This max parallelism, just for a note, it means how many processes it uses. I'm using just one so that it doesn't kill my machine. If you say 0, it's unlimited. So if you're not going to do anything else, that'll go the fastest, but you won't be able to use your machine while it's calculating. And if you say whatever other number, it'll use that number of processes if you have that available. So when we say calculate, it will do a calculation of routes between every single pair of points. And it's a rather fast calculation. There you go, it's done. And what you will find is there's the outlet from and to, and you will see the distance and time between each of these. And again, you can just copy your results out and paste them in Excel. That's all I'm going to do for the bulk routing tool, and I will now move on to the next feature of RouteXL. Thank you.